If you're a hiccup sufferer, then you need to know why they happen. Hiccups are caused by sudden, involuntary contractions of your diaphragm. That's the muscle just below your lungs. When it spasms, your vocal cords snap shut. That's what makes the hic sound. But why does this happen? It can be triggered by eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, or even sudden excitement. Sometimes it's just your body's way of saying, hey, slow down. Interestingly, hiccups can also be caused by nerve irritation or a full stomach. They usually go away on their own, but holding your breath or sipping water can help. So next time you hiccup, remember it's just your diaphragm throwing a little tantrum. Pretty cool, right? Share this with someone who hiccups a lot. See you next time.